guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm going to be doing a closet makeover. I just moved in, well not just, I moved into my apartment and this closet is definitely a lot smaller than what I'm used to. I guess it's a pretty small closet, and just the main thing is that there's like sliding doors so you can't really like see everything. So I'm going to be doing an apartment friendly closet organization and makeover. So I feel like this is really good. It'll probably give you some ideas if you're finding it hard to organize and fit all of your clothes in a small closet. Definitely stick around to the end of the video to see the before and after. Yeah, I'm gonna get right on into this video. Okay, step one, take the doors off. Okay, that looks already so much better. I can see all my clothes! It's like double the size now. The next step, I feel like, is like emptying stuff out. I even have like diabetes supplies and like phone cases down there that I don't need, and I can just like store that under my bed or something. So, my scrunchies, a necessity, my eye masks, which are all pink. Does this ever happen when you find the drawstrings to your hoodies but you can't put them back in, so you just throw them out? We officially have an empty closet that looks a lot bigger now. I have a couple pieces of clothing. I have an issue. Like, this is not okay. I need help. That fits perfectly. Okay, so I just put in this shelf that I ordered from Amazon. I'm pretty sure it comes in white. I think I tried to order white. I might have ordered black by mistake, but there is a white version on Amazon. It just came with like these and those, and you just like clip together however many you want. So now I have so much more cubicle space and folding space. And I'll link everything that I bought on Amazon. I literally bought everything on Amazon except for the rod that I'm going to put is from IKEA, but I'll link everything down below. It might be the countless amount of hours that I spent scrolling on Pinterest, but I have this newfound obsession for finding unique clothing items and styling them into outfits. And I'm also very passionate about buying clothes from pricey brands for up to 90% off their estimated retail price. And that's exactly where ThredUp comes in. ThredUp has over 40,000 brands on their website. They have literally new arrivals every single day. This video is sponsored by ThredUp, so thank you so much ThredUp for working with me. I have put together some outfits. So I'm just gonna start off with these cheetah leopard print shorts. These are from the brand Page, and the estimated retail was $143. I got them for $23.99, and these are all Canadian prices. I paired that with this Polo Ralph Lauren t-shirt. I really wanted this, and they had so many different colors and sizes, so I basically bought all of them. And then I added this Kate Spade wallet. This has so much space in it. This was originally $198, and I got it for $50.99. Okay, next outfit, I got these really sick jeans. I wanted jeans that just like looked different and just like had something to them. The brand is Hudson, and the estimated retail price is $190, and I got them for $17.99. So I paired this with the pink Ralph Lauren button-up, kind of like a loose fitting thing. I rolled up the sleeves. The estimated retail for this was $89. I got it for $18.99. Guys, I found a Champion puffer jacket, so I'm just gonna throw this on with the leopard print shorts outfit that I have, and the original estimated retail price was $195, and I got it for $58.99. I got this denim skirt, and I thought it was really cool because the waist seemed like it would kind of like fit, but then it would flare out, and the estimated retail was $36. I got it for $8.99. I decided to pair it with yet another Polo Ralph Lauren t-shirt, this time in the pale pink color. The estimated retail for this shirt was $89.99, and I got it for $18.99. The jacket that I paired with this outfit is so cool. This is a puffer jacket. It's from the brand Generation. The estimated retail for this, $297. I got it for $88.99. Moving on, this is the Madewell brand. It's kind of like a two-tone denim. On the side it's lighter, on the front and the back it's darker. The estimated retail price for this was $89.99. I got it for $20.99. And for the top, I decided to put another Polo Ralph Lauren t-shirt, and this one is brown. I am obsessed with browns right now. The estimated retail for this was $89. I got it for $16.99, and I really wanted to show this yellow, orange, cream, and bright pink windbreaker from Morelli, and this was originally $36. I got it for $14.99. So I have a really special offer for you guys. If you use the link down below and use my code Sadie, you can get 30% off your first ThredUp order. But yeah, thank you so much ThredUp for sponsoring this video, and let's get back into my closet makeover. So I got this adjustable double rod on Amazon, and this is just to have extra space for hanging. I'm going to hang my short stuff, like my skirts and my tank tops, up here. I'm also gonna change them all to the same hanger because I feel like that makes everything look more organized. So I got these on Amazon. They're like velvet, and then they have clips. Okay, so back here, I'm just gonna hang all of my long stuff, like pants and dresses. A tip to make it look a lot more organized and clean is to have everything hanging the same way, and also everything hanging like the way that you'll be able to see the front of it. Ew, looks like a sideburn. Sideburn vibes. So this is a belt hanger. I will definitely link one down below. It's definitely on Amazon, but it's so good to hang tank tops. I'm gonna color code these so they're kind of like organized. That looks so much better. Are you kidding me? Okay, we're getting to the fun part, the hoodies and the crew necks. I have a concerning amount. What I need to do is take out all of like the bulky crew necks like these, and I'm gonna put them all together. I'm like talking through the door on the shelves all in one place. This is a Billy bookcase that I got from IKEA. I'll link this down below, and the doors are glass on the top and not glass on the bottom, so you can kind of like keep stuff hidden if you want. So my plan for this is I'm gonna do all the stuff that's like not bulky, plus like all of my workout stuff, and then like my jeans and sweatpants and leggings. Okay, changed my mind. I'm gonna put my sweatpants up there on the top shelf of my closet just so I can save some room because I have so much athletic wear. Yikes, it's empty. Okay, so jeans. Where's this skirt from? Oh my gosh, it might be from ThredUp. You don't know. I don't know. Actually, I do know. But you don't know. But now you know. So, you know. I feel like I have 7 pairs of jeans that look exactly the same. Okay, now I'm gonna do cropped crew necks. So that is going to conclude this closet transformation. I originally actually wasn't gonna call this a transformation. I wasn't gonna put that in the title because I didn't think it would be that much of a difference. But guys, I have so much extra room now and I can actually fit all of my clothes with space for the ones that we all know that I'm going to buy maybe from ThredUp. So make sure to go to the link down below in the description and use my code Sadie for 30% off your ThredUp order. I love them. You guys saw the outfits. Like, they're literally so cute and I found so many amazing brands on there and they're just the best. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.